In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put multiple photos in one frame using Canva. If you've ever wanted to create a visually stunning collage or simply present several images neatly in one space, you're in the right place. This tutorial is going to break it down for you in just 5 minutes so you can get creative without any hassle. Let's dive in. To start, we're going to open up Canva. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account or sign up if you're new to it. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the option to create a new design. You can choose the size and layout you prefer, but for this tutorial we are focusing on how to effectively arrange multiple photos within a single frame. Now let's direct our attention to the left panel, click on Elements. This is where all the fun begins. In Elements you have access to a plethora of creative tools and assets, but for our purpose today you'll need to utilize the search bar at the top. Type in for frame. This search will yield a variety of photo grid templates perfect for housing multiple images. Choose a frame layout that suits your needs. Once you find a frame you like, simply drag and drop it onto your blank canvas. Feel free to adjust its size and position to fit your design goals. With your frame in place, the next step is to add your images. Look back to your left panel and click on Uploads. This section lets you upload your own photos from your device or use images you've uploaded previously. You'll want to either upload your photos now or make sure your desired images are already in your uploads. Once you see your images in the upload panel, it's time to bring them into your design. To place your images into the frames, all you need to do is drag and drop each photo from the upload section onto the frame spaces. You'll notice how Canva intuitively places each image into the cells of the frame, allowing you to see your multi-photo design come to life. If the images don't immediately fit as you'd like, you can click on them to adjust their position or size within their respective frames. This flexibility makes sure you get the perfect composition for your project. And there you have it, a beautiful, tidy compilation of multiple photos in one frame, ready for you to personalize further with text, stickers, or additional elements as you see fit. Canva's user-friendly tools make these design tasks enjoyable rather than daunting. So that's all it takes to put multiple photos into one frame on Canva. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful and that you're feeling more empowered to use Canva for all your creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.